Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria if you are new here, and on this channel I share a little bit of everything from fashion, beauty, travel, productivity. We do a little bit of everything over here, so make sure you stick around, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a brand new video. So I travel pretty often, and over time I've accumulated a few things that I like to call my essentials, and today I'll be sharing 10 of those items with you guys. They are all from Amazon, and I'll be linking every single last one in my description box. So if you see something you like and you want to purchase it, check out the description box for all of the links. So the very first thing I want to talk about are these packing cubes. I'm only showing you guys one, but it is a set of 8. It comes with a medium, a large, and an extra large. And I use these packing cubes to pack my clothes. I like to pack my clothes in categories. So I like to put my tops and my dresses together. I like to put my pants and my skirts together, and then I like to use the third one for outerwear. If I'm going somewhere warm where I don't need outerwear, I'll bring the third one with me empty and use it for my dirty clothes. And then there's one for socks, one for underwear, and there's a toiletry bag as well. And I want to say, yes, there's a shoe bag as well. It comes with 8 pieces. I love these things. Not only are they good for keeping your clothes organized, but if something spills in your bag, these keep your clothes safe as well. So get you some packing cubes. They make your suitcase look so much better, so much more organized. You need them. So the second thing I want to talk about is this makeup brush organizer. So I used to pack my makeup brushes with my makeup in the same bag, but I had a really bad experience where one of my powders broke inside of the makeup bag and got all over my brushes. So imagine really dark bronzer all over your brushes. It was a mess. So since then, I've learned my lesson and I got myself a makeup brush organizer. It's super compact. It has a lot of space for plenty of brushes. So if you travel with a lot of brushes, there's plenty of space. And then there's this little bag on the side that you can put your sponges. If you have makeup cleanser or any other things, you can put it in there. The bag itself does come with a makeup sponge as well as a makeup cleansing. It's a little pad like to clean your makeup brushes, which is really good. But once all of your brushes are in here and you fold it over, it doesn't get bulky, it doesn't take a lot of space. Definitely recommend packing your makeup brushes away from your makeup. So the third thing I want to talk about is this toiletry bag. I actually got this toiletry bag in the men's section. Well, is there really a men's section on Amazon? I don't know, but it's advertised for men. It comes as one, but you can actually separate it into 2 pieces. There's a zipper in the middle where you can actually separate it and it becomes 2 separate pieces. I do find that if you pack them together, like connected, they get a little bulky, so I do recommend separating them and then packing them separately. So I use the top portion for all of my body shower care products. So all of my deodorant, lotions, cleansers, and things like that, I put them at the top. And then for the bottom part, I use it for all of my makeup, and it fits quite a lot of things. I took basically my entire makeup collection with me to Canada last month, and it all fit in this side. The thing I really like about this bag is that there is a metal hook, so you can hang the bag anywhere and just use it without unpacking the bag when you get to your destination. So last month I went to Canada with my family. There was about 10 of us in the house, and imagine the situation of sharing a bathroom. It was hectic, and this bag came in handy because all I did was hang it up in the bathroom and I didn't have to unpack anything. I just grabbed what I needed daily and use it. Really recommend this toiletry bag. So the fourth item is this hair tools bag. So depending on my hairstyle, it will determine what tools I bring with me. So of course, if I have braids, I probably won't even bring this bag with me because I probably won't need anything. But if I have my hairstyle like it is right now, where I'll need, curling irons or straighteners, I will bring this bag, and it takes quite a lot of things. Certain hair dryers, I think the L'Oreal hair dryer can actually fit in here, as well as some other hot brushes. But I usually pack my flat iron, my curling iron, my hot comb, all in here. There's a bottom portion that is pretty deep that can fit quite a lot of things. I bring my hairspray, I bring my, what else? I bring a few things with me and they all fit in here. At the top, I usually keep things like clips and bobby pins and whatever little hair tools, hair accessories that I need. I also like the fact that there is a top handle, so you can literally just take it out of your luggage and carry it with you. So number 5 on my list is actually this jewelry organizer. I actually just purchased this jewelry organizer. Before then, I used to pack all of my jewelries into this one little jewelry box that I have. Every time I got to my destination, all of my necklaces will be tangled. It was just a mess, and I decided to just get an organizer and make my life a little bit easier. There are 3 compartments for necklaces, about 6 compartments for rings, and then you have 4 little compartments for either, you know, bracelets or more necklaces. But it's super small, it's a little square shape, and I'm going to use it for a trip that I'm going on tomorrow, and I'll see how much it can really take. Next on the list is this sunglasses organizer. This is also something new that I just purchased. Before, I used to just pack my sunglasses in the pouches that I purchased them in, but it was getting a little bit too unorganized for me. So I went on Amazon and purchased this organizer. It takes up to 5 sunglasses, but I feel like I can finesse more if I needed to, especially if you have designer sunglasses that you want to keep in good condition. I love that the fact that it is soft on the inside, which, you know, keeps your sunglasses from getting dust on them or even scratches. And then it is a hard shell, so if anything, you know, from movement, if like your luggage is being moved around and, you know, something hit it, it won't affect the sunglasses that are in there. And I also love that there is a little handle, so when you get to your destination, you can just, you know, put it on a hook, and you don't have to take your sunglasses out. You can just, you know, take them as you need and put them right back in. It's super cute. It comes in a few different colors, but I got a black one just because black is easier to maintain. So next on my list are these pill organizers. So I told myself this year that I will be super consistent with my vitamin intake. And I know sometimes with trips, it's hard to bring all of your vitamins with you. So I finally went and I purchased these pill organizers. They're super cheap, and it comes in a pack of 3. It comes with a green one, this turquoise blue one, and this tan one. I'll probably end up using the tan one only just because, you know, it's aesthetically pleasing. So it has 8 compartments. You have about 6 little small ones and 2 big ones. I'll probably use the big ones for my gummy, like more sugary vitamins, and then put my regular pill form vitamins in here. Listen, this year, no excuses. We're taking our vitamins on vacation with us so that we can stay consistent with our vitamin intake. We're working out while we're on vacation, right? I probably lost some of you guys. That's okay. So next on my list are these vacuum storage bags. Now, these might not be necessary for every trip, but if you struggle to fit your clothes in your luggage, these come in handy. So last month I went to Canada, and if you know anything about Canada, it is super cold. I was able to pack like 14 coats. I was there for 10 days and I overpacked. I brought like, I think 12 to 14 coats and like 10 days worth of clothes, even though I had a check bag and a carry-on. But I was able to use these vacuum storage bags to create more space in my luggage. I do have to say, these do not decrease the weight of your luggage. So do not think just because you have more space that you can just keep stuff in your luggage, because you still have the same amount of weight as, you know, if you were just putting your clothes in there. But they do help create space if, you know, space is something that you struggle with. I've seen people use them on TikTok, but when I first purchased them, I was a little bit scared. I thought the bag would lose air and all of my luggage will, you know, explode. But surprisingly, I went to Canada with them, came back with them. Everything was in perfect condition. It comes with a little plastic pump. You do have to travel with the pump so that you take the air out of the bags when you're coming back home. But the pump is super small. I was able to fit it inside of my backpack and everything went perfectly fine. I highly recommend these. But if you are putting your clothes in these storage bags, keep in mind that your clothes will be super wrinkled after, because you're literally compressing everything. But that is why you will need the next item on my list. So the next travel essential for me is a steamer. So this one is not from Amazon. I can't remember where I got this one. I think I got it from Walmart, but I will link one from Amazon that's actually really good and a little bit smaller, so you won't have problem, you know, packing it. I don't know about you guys. Even if I know where I'm going, there will be an iron, I don't take my chances. I always bring a steamer with me because I cannot be trusted with an iron, and I just cannot you know, risk burning my clothes while on vacation. So I always bring a steamer with me. I don't know, maybe you're bringing a beautiful silk dress with you to wear to dinner while you're on vacation, and you don't want to take the chance of ironing that. Like, you might burn it and you only brought one option. Like, get you a steamer, okay? Number 10, get you one of these fans, okay? You see how small this is? It looks like a little battery pack that you can just, a little mic, I don't know. But do you see how small this is? This thing is powerful. If you're going anywhere that is hot, any warm climate areas, whether that's going to Europe or any of the Caribbean islands, you need one of these. So it's basically a fan, a portable charger, and a flashlight all in one. It is genius. Honestly, whoever created this, invented this, you deserve eternal love, because this is pure genius. So you have a USB-C plug so that you can charge it, and then you have a USB part so that you can plug your phone and use it as a power bank. So there's only one button on there, which is the power button. There's a little flashlight. There are three settings for the fan. This thing is so small, it can fit in all of your bags. Whether you're going to dinner and you only have a little small pouch or purse, you can literally just drop it in there. It fits in everything. It comes in a few different colors, so if you don't want something white, I think there's a brown one, there's a black one. It comes in a few different colors. But honestly, if you don't purchase anything else from this video, make sure you get yourself one of these, because the summer heat is no joke. Last March 2022, I went to Cartagena, Colombia. It was so hot. It was so hot. I wanted to cry. Some days I didn't even wear makeup because it was that hot. Okay, I wish I had this with me. As I'm getting ready to visit a few islands in the Caribbean in the next few days, I am taking this with me everywhere. Okay, so I know I said 10 items, but there's one additional thing that I would like to talk about, and it is a belt bag. Whether that is a belt bag, a fanny pack, you need one of these. I got mine from Lululemon, but you don't necessarily have to get Lululemon. There are a lot of dupes on Amazon. I'll link a few. Having a belt bag on you is a lifesaver, because I typically travel with a purse or a backpack, but I travel with my laptop, sometimes my iPad, a few cameras, tripods, and all of those things, and those are usually in my purse or my backpack. If I'm going to the airport and I have to reach for my passport, for my ID or something like that, it's always hectic going into a full bag, a full purse, trying to find my passport. Even if I have a little, you know, compartment on the side, it's just too much. I love having this like on my chest, where I can just grab my passport, grab my lip balm, grab my hand sanitizer. I don't have to worry about a whole bunch of things being in there. Unless I need my laptop when I get on the plane, I now put my purse or my backpack, whichever one I choose to travel with, I put it in the overhead compartment, and I just keep this on me. And typically in this bag, I have my passport, my AirPods, my hand sanitizer, and my lip balm, which is typically all I need on the plane. And I just keep that on me, and it gives me more leg space. It is wonderful. It is wonderful. Alrighty, that wraps up my Amazon travel must-haves. If you have any travel essentials that I didn't mention in this video, but you feel like everyone should have, let me know in the comments what those things are. Put me on, okay? Because I might need to add a few more things to my collection of things. So let me know what are your essentials. Even if they are not from Amazon, let me know some of the things that make traveling super duper easy and convenient for you. But yeah, that wraps up this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.